Parang so good nangyari. Okay. Super cute. Okay. Add ko na lang ulit. First ulit, guys. Fish. It's like fudgy bar. Harap. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's vlog, I'm super excited because I'm gonna show you what I got from Japanese Taste. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's the box. Okay. May receipt pa siya ulit. Why is it so hard? Hindi yata inopen ni Kator to. Pangarap ko makapunta ng Japan, guys. Punta nga ako dun. Popcorn wrap. Okay. Baliktad! Oh no! Bakit dito ko siya inopen? OMG! Ulit. Ba't kasi nandun yung receipt? Kaya ko siyang open dun dito sa side na to kasi nakabaliktad yung isang box. Mahirapan tayo. Okay. Ito yung unang package. Ilalabas ko na sila isa. Inopen. I have to. Okay guys, here's what I got. First, itong hair mask from Fino. Ooh. Ito. Here. Guys, super worth it. 550 ml already. And I've been using their shampoo. I got here in Qatar. I think almost 4 months. And I can say it really helps my hair fall. That's why I decided to buy their conditioner and their hair mask. Okay, next. Okay. Ayusin nga natin. Okay. And of course, the famous curated Japanese box. Actually guys, they're the one who chose what's inside the box. So definitely, it's a surprise box. So let's do this. Oh, another bubble wrap. Oh. Oh, look at this. Super cute. Okay, next. I have here Kaneka. I don't know what this is. It's like muscat grapes. sabi ko sa inyo. What happened, guys? Ano yung nangyari? Okay. So good! Ang sarap lahat! Resealable, guys. Next. Super cute. Guys, I like it. It's not too sweet. Sakto lang. I like pineapple, but pineapple juice. So, hindi ko to try to. Next na lang. Okay, next. Kyowi Hime no Toki Custard Cake. So, how do I pronounce? Okay. Ooh. Wait, I'll show you. Parang siyang kopya. Medyo nauumay na tayo. Wait lang. Ayan tayo nag-tea. Sarap. Wait lang, guys. Pusi ko lang. Ang harap nun. Next is Naruto Kintoki Potato. Potato. Okay, pass. Next is Yamada Nishiki Ball. Oh my gosh, I'm not good at this. No, mali yung pronounce ko. I don't know how to pronounce, guys. I'm so sorry. Ooh. Okay. Parang siyang biskotso. Sarap. Super cute, guys. Look. Fish. Sarap din. Okay, next. Walang English. Oh. It's like parang bukayo, guys. May peanut siya, guys. Or asukal. Sugar. Ano kaya? Okay, next. Kinasaki sweet. Parang cute. Parang kakainin ko yata lahat ng pastry nila. It's like fudgy bar. Harap. Lasang milk. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Pero joke lang. Next muna. Ito na lang ulit. Good thing resealable sila. Kasi hindi natin siya mauubos. Okay. Guys, it tastes coffee. Harap. Okay, next. Chocolate stick. Kinain lahat, no? Sabi ko sa inyo, kakainin ko ito lahat. Okay. Naputol, guys. Here. Pero naputol. Typical chocolate bar. Okay, next. Lemonade by Limonica. Ayoko to. Lemon juice gusto ko. Ayoko ng mga lemon pastry. Okay, next. Ooh. Alam ko ano ito. Harap, tas ang hipon. Alam nyo yung Oishi crackers sa Pinas? Alasa. Goma sabre. Mante. Hi guys, nalobat na yung camera ko. Okay. Kasi kung ma-explain yung lasa. Okay, next. Another pastry ulit. Pass. And this one, same siya nung first one. Ito siya. siya, guys. Lemon. Pass. Norimaki crackers. Here. Save siya ng kanina, guys. Harap. Ang sarap. Next, salted fried rice crackers. Rice crackers ulit, guys. So, hindi na natin ito ito. Maalat yun, guys. And then, I also have here matcha green tea mix. Oh, may matcha tayo. Ito na, guys. Last one is Sakuma chocolate milk candy. Ooh, cute. Ito siya. Nakalagay na S. Kita ba? Okay, guys. Pero luwan natin to. We have to end this vlog. So guys, ubos na. So dito ko na tatapusin ang vlog na to. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!